Cardano, ADA explained. Cardano, ADA, has become one of the fastest growing blockchain assets in the entire cryptocurrency industry. ADA has been a top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization since it was released in 2015, and has garnered significant hype. Its technology is advancing at rapid speed, and looks to take on the likes of Ethereum in building a massive blockchain ecosystem. Keep watching to learn applicable knowledge on Cardano, ADA. Before that, subscribe our channel. And hit the bell icon to stay updated on latest cryptocurrencies guides. Share the video with your friends. If you want to ask any question and clarify your confusions, feel free to write on the comment section. What is Cardano? Similar to other cryptocurrencies, ADA, Cardano, is a digital coin that can be used to store value or send and receive funds. The ADA cryptocurrency runs on the Cardano blockchain, a first-of-its-kind decentralized network, based completely on scientific and mathematical principles and designed by experts in the fields of cryptography and engineering. The Cardano blockchain can be used to build smart contracts and, in turn, create decentralized applications and protocols. In addition, the ability to send and receive funds instantly, for minimal fees, has many applications in the world of business and finance. Instead of attempting to thwart global regulators, Cardano is building a blockchain with regulations in mind, to provide financial services to all. Cardano is looking to solve many of the blockchain industry's current problems, including the use of mathematics to provide a provably secure blockchain that is less prone to attacks, separation of accounting and computational layers, creation of a secure voting mechanism for token holders, a consensus mechanism that is infinitely scalable. Cardano blockchain architecture. The Cardano blockchain is stratified into two layers, the Cardano settlement layer, CSL, and the Cardano computational layer, CCL, which separates Cardano from the regular smart contract platform. Ethereum runs a single-layer architecture, which has seen it experience network congestion, slow transaction speed and high gas fees. Cardano seeks to address these issues through the CSL and CCL. Its CSL layer facilitates peer-to-peer transactions, such as tokens transfer between users. The CSL is Cardano's balance ledger. Using a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, Ouroboros protocol, to generate new blocks and confirm transactions, Cardano wants to improve Bitcoin's proof-of-work protocol. The CCL layer is where Cardano truly distinguishes itself. The CCL powers the computational needs of the blockchain, enabling the execution of smart contracts. This layer is operated separately from the settlement layer to afford flexibility if the need for changes arises. Its off-chain protocol allows it to offer greater data storage flexibility and an access model that lets users create customized rules when validating transactions. What does the future hold for the Cardano project? High fees have been a limiting factor for the DeFi space. As the appeal for these projects increases with record values locked up, Ethereum's gas fees have made them an expensive endeavor. Cardano is aiming to fix this and more with its Merry upgrade. Cardano developers can now create custom tokens or import projects from other blockchains into the Cardano network. This could be beneficial for new and interesting projects, such in the DeFi and NFT ecosystem.